Here's an exponential equation that looks straightforward at first glance. 4 to the x equals 2 to the x plus 1 plus 12. But solving it requires seeing something that's not immediately obvious. The main idea is to get everything in terms of the same base. And notice that 4 and 2 are related, which gives us a way in. Starting with what we have here, since 4 is just 2 squared, we can rewrite this base. So 4 to the x becomes 2 squared to the x. When you have a power raised to another power, you multiply the exponents, which gives us 2 to the 2x. Now on the right side, 2 to the x plus 1 can be split up. That's 2 to the x times 2 to the first plus 12. Now that everything's in base 2, there's a pattern here worth noticing. Let me clean this up a bit. Notice that 2 to the 2x can be written as 2 to the x squared. And suddenly, this looks like a quadratic equation in disguise. See how 2 to the x shows up in both places? That's our cue to make a substitution. Let's call 2 to the x just y for now. And with that substitution, we get y squared equals 2y plus 12. Let's move everything to one side. Y squared minus 2, y minus 12 equals 0. Now, we just need to solve this quadratic. This doesn't factor nicely, so let's use the quadratic formula. Looking at our equation, we have a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 12. Plugging these into the formula, let's work through this. So we get 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 48 all over 2. That's 2 plus or minus root 52 over 2. We can simplify the square root of 52. 52 is 4 times 13. And the square root of 4 pulls out as 2. Each term in the numerator gets divided by 2, leaving us with 1 plus or minus root 13. But remember, we need x, not y. Y was 2 to the x. So 2 to the x equals 1 plus root 13 or 1 minus root 13. Now think about that second case. Root 13 is bigger than 1, so 1 minus root 13 is negative. But 2 to any real power is always positive. So this case doesn't work, which leaves us with 2 to the x equals 1 plus root 13. To get x out of the exponent, we need logarithms. Logarithms are just the inverse of exponentiation. If b to the x equals a, then x is the log base b of a. So x equals log base 2 of 1 plus root 13. Let's see what this looks like graphically. Here's a coordinate plane. The blue curve is y equals 4 to the x, and the green curve is the right side of our equation. They meet at exactly one point. This intersection point confirms what we found algebraically. The x-coordinate here is about 2.205, which is exactly log base 2 of 1 plus root 13. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more mathematical explorations.